Okay guys, so there's not gonna be a long video for you guys today. It's supposed to snow. We're supposed to get like a big snowstorm, so I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that we're supposed to be getting a big snowstorm. So you should be seeing some plowing videos, which should be nice because you guys seem to enjoy the plowing videos. Yeah, that's pretty much about all I've been doing. Because these past couple days it's just been too cold well, not too cold, but it's been really cold, so I haven't really wanted to go outside very much, to like make a video or anything for you guys, because it's been so cold. But it's the weekend now, and I mean, it's supposed to be cold, but I do have to plow, so I might as well film it for you guys. So yeah, you'll be seeing quite a bit of GoPro footage of plowing. Yeah. I told you guys last time that I was taking the engine off that snowblower and I couldn't get the pulley off of there. I did buy a pulley puller today to take that pulley off, so we'll be getting into that too, maybe tomorrow or something, and I'll be showing you guys that, and then eventually we'll measure that shaft and get a new engine from Harbor Freight, so that should be pretty good. Nice new engine for that thing. It should blow some pretty good snow for us. Even though I have a four-wheeler, just maybe it'd be nice maybe to blow back snowbanks or something. So yeah, back to the snow that we're getting. It's supposed to be like I think 8 to 14 or something, or maybe a little bit more than that. I don't know. But it was just flurrying out a little bit. It's supposed to go through like Saturday and Sunday, so that should, you might see a video tomorrow depending on how much snow we have, if I need a plow or not, because at my neighbors that I plow there they do have guests there, so I mean, I don't know if I'll be filming there or not, but they should have, I should be able to plow, well, I have to plow them out like quite often because they're, I don't know, well, because there's guests staying there, I don't know what kind of cars they have, if they have low cars or whatever. I probably will have to shovel around their cars, and, well, the main reason why I have to plow is, usually there's not much snow in the driveway because the big pine trees are mostly over the driveway, but there is like, where the plow truck plows out the front and makes a big snowbank there. I do have to keep that clear because that's usually gets pretty big, because even if you plow it out, the plow guys come by and they are trying to plow back the snowbanks and get the snow over the snowbanks. And, but yeah, the snowbanks should be pretty big. Probably have to plow them back quite a bit because we will have quite a bit of snow. It's supposed to be colder, so it'll be like light and fluffy snow. So that should be pretty nice. So my four-wheeler should plow it fairly easily. I still don't know how I'm going to be plowing my grandparents, because I almost think it's the air filter, but I don't know, I'll have to fool around with that, but they're not here, they're not actually at their house, they're on vacation for like, I don't know, like maybe 7-8 more days or something, so, I mean, I have like a long time, even if I have to like shovel or something, which I really don't want to, but, so I have a long time to clear out their driveway however I need to. Yeah, Sunday, it's supposed to be a little warmer, I think, so it might be heavier snow, but maybe not, where I am, might just stay, fluffy snow, but I don't know yet. So yeah, that's all that I'm gonna say for today, guys. So yeah, I'm kinda looking forward to that snowstorm, but, yeah, so I will see you guys probably, well, definitely tomorrow, because I will make a video tomorrow on, working on the snowblower at least, but, so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.